And finally, in section 3, we're going to look at finding the sector of a circle, the area of the sector. And the sector of a circle is just a portion of the circle. You can see that in the picture here. This red space is considered a sector. Notice it's just a portion of the entire circle. So to find the area of a sector of a circle, we're really going to use a proportion. That's going to state the area of a sector over the entire area of the circle is equal to the angle measure associated with the sector over the total of 360 degrees. Most of the time we're going to solve for the area of the sector, so we're going to multiply both sides by pi r squared. That's what they get here. That's how they get the pi r squared out of there. And I'm going to go one step further, and I'm going to say that the area of the sector is pi r squared times x over 360, where r is the radius, x is your angle measure associated with that sector, and then you're going to divide it all by 360. I have a couple examples. We'll look at 3b and 3c. Okay, so two of them. I want to find the area of the shaded region or the shaded sector and then round it to the nearest tenth when we do this. So for these two problems, we're going to use, I'm going to write it over here, we're going to use pi r squared x divided by 360 degrees. Okay, so looking at 3b first, we're going to say we have pi times our radius, which is 6 squared, times the angle measure associated with the sector, which in this case is 148, all divided by 360. You can plug that all into your calculator as you see it, and when you do that, you are going to get approximately 46.5 meters squared. Okay, then for 3C, it's pretty similar. You're going to use the same formula. There's just one little catch to it. You're going to use pi times your radius, which is 11, squared, times. Notice this time, though, they give you an angle measure of 65, which is not the area that I'm looking for. I don't want to use 65. I want to find the angle measure associated with the shaded region. So we need to take 360 minus 65, I'll write that up here, to get the angle measure that I want, which in this case is 295 degrees, all over 360, giving us an area of 311.5 inches squared.